channel Jashan. I am Jashan and I am too excited today cause we are going to paint a realistic painting today. So the materials I am using are this primed linen, which is fine grain, and also I am going to use acrylic paints to paint realistic horse painting. So yes, we are going to paint a horse on this canvas. So let's get started with this video. So I am going to start with sketch. This sketch is not going to be perfect, even it will look funny. But it's okay, we are not going to sketch perfectly, but we are going to paint perfectly later. I am going to use these acrylic paints today, which are crimson, orange, ivory black, burnt sienna, burnt umber and titanium white. I am going to start painting from the background, so I am going to paint the background using ivory black paint, and I am going to apply a very thick layer of paint without using water because I am not going to paint again in the background. As I'm done with the background part, so let us start painting horse. Even our horse is of white color, this does not mean that we are going to paint full horse with white paint only. We need a lot more paints for this. So I am starting the painting using burnt sienna and black on the parts where there will be shadow on the body of horse, and then I am going to mix it in white in later parts of this painting. You need to keep an eye on the direction of brush strokes. All the strokes are visible in this video itself, so watch these brush strokes carefully and the direction in which I am using the brush. While recreating this painting, you need to follow the same direction to apply paint because this is going to decide what your painting will look like after completing the artwork. As you can see, I have smudged white and black paint properly. Acrylics dry darker, so white will look less prominent after drying, guys. So we will need to apply more layers of white later to make our horse look white. As we are done with the neck, so now moving forward to paint ears and face of the horse. Always we need to start with the darker shades first, and then we need to move forward towards the lighter ones. So I am also doing same. I am painting black eye of horse and then the darker portions of the face, and then I'm going to use white paint. Guys, this horse is really beautiful and it is going to have a lot of hair. So I am painting those with burnt sienna and black initially, and I am going to smudge these two paints very carefully now, and then I am going to add highlights using white paint in these later. Now using orange and red paint, I am going to provide details to tip of horse's mouth, like the skin around nose is going to be of orange and red shades slightly, not completely, and also we need to apply a lot of layers of paint here also. So after applying 2 or 3 layers, you will get the final result. These colors are drying very fast, guys, so I am painting very quickly. You know, my first love are oil paints, but I am a lazy being, so nowadays I am working a lot with acrylics because these dry faster, and this make my paintings to finish on a very fast rate as compared to the oil ones. But soon you will see some of my oil paintings on this channel. I have planned a lot of stuff for you guys, so keep watching, guys. Soon you will find some oil painting tutorials also on this channel. Along with this, I am going to paint horse halter using burnt sienna, black and white paint again, because we are going to use these shades only today. Starting with black line, we are going to paint it, and then I'm going to add details in everything using small brushes and white and burnt sienna shade. Being a horse lover, I always wanted to paint horses. Even this is not going to be my last painting of horse. I am thinking to paint more horses in the future because horses are really amazing and I really love them. So looking forward for a very positive and good future and a lot more amazing paintings. Okay, now I am going to provide details to the horse. Take a deep breath and paint individual hairs in the painting. So using same shades, same 3 white, sienna and black, we need to paint hair of horse. So I am doing this with the 000 brush, which is a very thin brush, and this part is the crucial part of painting because this part is going to take a lot of time. So you need to paint individual hairs by just taking deep breath, and this is going to take a lot of time, but this will make your painting look amazing. And after adding these details and looking on the final details, this painting is going to be ready. So guys, my painting is now ready. This is the result of 5 hours of painting, and I really liked it. This is stunning, guys. I hope you like it. If you like it, then press the like button and share this video with all the art lovers you know. And you can tell me in comment section what kind of art video you want next from my side. And guys, you have to subscribe this channel to meet me next Friday in my next video. So subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, because this will provide you notifications of my new videos. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, you are amazing, and thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. You are the real power source behind all my videos. So bye.